Alright, use case 1. Here in this particular testing, I would be focusing only on key event presses being captured by tablet properly or not. So in order to do that, I have scope and the kernel event logging enabled just to make sure that the events are being captured at kernel level properly. I would be testing. I'm testing right now. I'm testing on a production unit and production cradle. The test case will include insertion of all the connection points one by one. Right now, only 3.5 mm jack is connected, which is RSM. USB cable is connected, but it's not linked anywhere. Okay, so it's not linked anywhere. So right now, I would be pressing the PTT button. On press, one dip should come in oscilloscope, and corresponding to that dip, certain media events should pop up in the kernel logs. And on release, there should be 2 dips, and there should be 2 media events on kernel logs. So if I press the PTT button, there is a dip and there are certain media events. And on release, there are 2 events, and correspondingly there are 4 like 2 media up and down keys, which is the behavior how it has been received at kernel level. Now I am just connecting the USB cable to the RSM in order to charge it. Alright, so I've connected a regular USB cable. This is a cable that came from Savox and is used for charging the RSM. So again, we'll do the same process. On button press, event is generated and is received at kernel level. And on release, 2 events are generated and the subsequent media events are being received at kernel level. So with charging on with the regular USB cable also, we have seen that there are no miss of events. So every time I press the button, events come, release, events comes. This we have done testing for almost 250 times, and in all the cases the events are coming properly. Alright, now I'm gonna connect the slim cable. So here's the slim cable. This cable is connected to the slim box. Again, I'm going to repeat the same setup. Right now all the points are connected, slim cable, RSM and charging, and let's see if the events are getting missed or not. Again, I'm just pressing push button, event received in kernel. I'm releasing it, event received at kernel. Press release, press release, press release. So in all the cases, events are generated, captured in scope, and also at kernel level these events are generated.